Hello and welcome to this week's Market Minute. I'm Darren Cohen with Wealth E&P. It's been a great year in the market so far this year, with the Dow up about 11%, S&P and Nasdaq over 20% year to date. But you tuned in so you could hear about the election and what's going to happen in the market post-election, right? So let's take a look at a couple of charts and see how the election results tend to affect the stock market. Here, we're looking at the last 8 presidential elections and what happened the year after. Now, what you'll see is a really nice blend of some Republican presidents and Democrat presidents, along with blended Congress as well as a unified Congress in some cases. But across the board, you almost universally see great performance, in most cases up 10, 20, 30%. The outlier, 2001, market was down 11, 12%. But do we think that was because of the presidential election? Blatantly not. It was because of the tech bubble that burst coming out of the late 90s. So let's take a look at an even more clear indicator: what happened under Trump and Biden. We would have expected drastically different performance with very different policies, right? Not just a Republican and Democrat, but extremely different policies. What we see is over the 4-year cycle, almost identical S&P performance, up 54, 55% under both presidents. Why is that? It's because corporate America keeps making money. They keep making good decisions to raise revenues, increase profitability, increase salaries, etc. So, do we want to get out of the way under a different election result? That's the question I've been getting more than any over the last days and weeks and even months. In fact, some people have told me months ago, let's get out of the market, let's sit on the sideline. And as you saw in the first chart, we would have missed a good bit of returns. But that said, if we go all the way back to 1949, what would have happened if you only invested when there's a Republican or a Democrat in office? Well, had you invested $10,000, you would have grown to $100,000 to $500,000. Not bad. But if you invest under both cycles, it grows to almost $4 million. So do you want to sit on the sideline? Absolutely not. Not based on news, not based on election results. But we may sit on the sidelines when it becomes real economic data that affects earnings and profitability and growth. So let us do that hard work. If you have any questions, let us know. We'll catch you next time. Thanks so much.